Go.
What are you doing?
I'm coming behind you.
Oh gosh. I don't know where to get those stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you know?
There's Daddy. Wait. Look, this is the breakfast room. Right? So go
Yeah.
inside. Go inside. Excuse me. Hey.
Why did you push me away?
Swing. Da 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 da. Sia's favorite milk boxes.
Hey, what about these?
Hey, Aryan. Hi.
What
Come.
about these, Mama?
Come here, Sia.
What about these?
I told him come. Oh, that's a cleaning cart. Okay, come on. Those are the luggage racks.
ये देखो मैं को बोला मैट्रेस पे तो शीट लेकर आई है
Sheet नहीं
नहीं है मैट्रेस पर उसको समझ नहीं
ठीक है oh hey I'm good, how are you? Can I have the master key please? Yeah. No, not for the room, for the master key that opens all doors. This is the one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, thanks. Hi, Daddy. Look what we got here. Ooh, all these rooms here, right? This is ground floor. What we got here? Oh, the vending machines.
There's drinks and we have Coke, Sprite.
Yeah? Okay, let's
We
go.
also have breakfasts.
Let's go to the Daddy's secret place. Come.
Bye, Aryan.
Let's ding the elevator. Wait. Aryan, come. Open. You look. Aryan, okay. Here, I took it. Here. I. Children? Yeah, let's go.
Why's Dad coming?
yeah
Dad finally gave up. He said, okay, I'll show it to Sia, Daddy's secret play. He said it's gonna be fun when you guys watch this video, huh? Where are we going, Sia?
Daddy, why did you want to come like that?
Where are we going, Sia?
To Daddy's secret place.
Daddy doesn't even know where it is. Right side पे होता है हमेशा.
Bye, Aryan.
Come, Sia. This is the one. Let's see. Ta-da! Did you ever come here?
No.
Turn the lights on. Now I'm gonna show you something. Look at that. Shampoos. Soaps.
More.
Look. Tiny shampoos for the rooms. Soaps.
You're pushing me.
Sorry. Here's the pins.
Ew.
You're almost out of them. And what is this? What is this? See ya?
Diary.
Oh my goodness. This is what you wanted, right?
Yeah. 1,000.
1,000? I think this is enough. Keep them for your school, okay, in India? You got 1,000 now?
Now.
How many you got?
1,140.
Oh my goodness. Are you gonna take some for Aryan too?
Yes. Only 2.
Take this stack for Aryan.
What? That's big.
Yeah, that's big for him. But I'm sorry. They're out of pens. They're out of pens. So
Where's our dad?
I'm just gonna keep some. Hey, look.
Aryan.
Did you see this here?
Baby Aryan is lost.
Look. You want some?
Yeah.
What do you want? Wait, I think they got a bag here.
Cool. Let's get 1,000 bags.
No, just get one bag.
No, we're gonna get mixed up. One for me and one for Ari.
Oh no, this is something else.
That's a garbage bag.
Actually, we could use it.
Mom, can I have one?
Yeah, this is.
And me and Arna have one. This is orange and I want one.
Keep it here and fill it up with soap and shampoo, okay?
We're gonna
Hey, keep Aryan separate. Keep only yours here. Here. Put this. Give me Aryan's.
My pen.
Close the ढक्कन. Just put soaps and shampoos.
Cool secret place. Looks like we're going to take a crocheting.
Okay.
1,000 million. I'm gonna get that.
Okay, bas. Enough for you. And put some soapies now. When you finish this, you can ask Daddy to get you more. Okay?
The same amount. 1, 2. Cool. Can we get one of those?
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
ये काय का लाइनर है? कप्स का?
Daddy.
Okay, enough, Sia. Enough. You got enough now.
I have
Chal.
7 of the soap.
You got enough. When you finish this, you and Nani, then tell Daddy to bring more. Okay? This is the same one. It's the same one, beta. Okay, take it. Take it and give some to Nani also. Okay? In India, tell her that when she goes in the train. Enough. Okay. Dil puri ka bani. Oh, that's Sia's loot bag. Oh my goodness.
I will take
Chalo.
I'm gonna take
पानी डाउन
Aryan, jo.
I'm gonna
उसको ग्लास चाहिए होगा ना. ये ले Aryan.
Oh, I'm missing a glass. Mommy, I need a glass.
अल्लाह, अभी ग्लास में क्या है? ये लो. चलो. Oh my goodness. Come. Oh my goodness. There is a filter downstairs. Ooh. Sia's loot bag. एक मिनट है. Housekeeping room. This is the laundry chute, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're missing us. Come on, Mom.
Yeah, I'm coming. Hi. Oh, you're fine. Nobody in there, right? Okay, they're cleaning the room. And this is single bed. Out there is the motel parking lot. You still got rooms.
Mama, what are you
It's
doing?
second floor. Where's the ice machine, here or third one?
Downstairs.
No, the ice one.
Third one.
Third one. Okay, open for me. This is the hotel elevator.